Hi, this video I will teach you how to multiply decimals. Decimal is a fraction whose denominator is a power of 10 and whose numerator is expressed by figures to the right of a decimal point. Here's an example. This part is a whole number, and this part is what we call as a decimal point. Right after that are already decimals. We call this as the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands place, and so on and so forth. Multiplying decimals is similar as multiplying whole numbers. And just like whole numbers, we can rewrite the equation in vertical form, such as this. The upper portion is what we call as multiplicand, and the lower portion is what we call as multiplier. But it doesn't really matter because multiplication is commutative, and any of the given decimals can be the multiplier or the multiplicand. In multiplying decimals, it is very important to count the decimal places of a number. Here we have 0.56. So if you count the decimal places, that's 1 and 2. So this decimal has two decimal places, namely the tens place and the hundreds place. Here we have 1.2036. So if we count the decimal places, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the decimal has 4 decimal places. We have the tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s place. Now that we're done with that, let's start multiplying decimals. Here, I have 1.56 times 0.32. Just like how we multiply whole numbers, we can rewrite the equation in vertical form, just like this. Next is we multiply each digit of the multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand. Let's start with 2. That's 2 times 6, and the answer is 12. So we bring down 2 and carry 1. Next, we have 2 times 5, and that's equal to 10. Plus the carried number, which is 1, so the answer is 11. Bring down 1 and carry the other 1. Next, we have 2 times 1, plus the carried number, which is 1, and the answer to that is 3. Next, we multiply 3 to each digit in the multiplicand. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Bring down 8 and carry 1. 3 times 5 is equal to 15, plus 1 is 16. So bring down 6 and carry 1. Last, we have 3 times 1 plus the carried number, which is 1. That's equal to 4. And since the next digit is 0, then we can just stop from here. Now let's add the digits. So first, we bring down 2. Next, we add 1 and 8. That's just equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is also 9. Then, bring down 4. Here's the last step. We need to put the decimal point. To know where exactly we need to put the decimal point, you simply count the decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So starting from the right corner going to the left, we need to count. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we place the decimal point over here. Just to emphasize the decimal, we can then add 0 over here. So the final answer is 0.4992. Here's another example. Here we have 2.55 times 4.2. Again, rewrite the equation in vertical form. Then multiply each digit of the multiplier to each digit in the multiplicand. So here we have 2 times 5, and the answer is 10. Bring down 0, then carry 1. Next, we have 2 times 5, plus the carried number, which is 1. So the answer is 11. Bring down 1, carry 1. Next, we have 2 times 2, plus the carried number, which is 1. That's just equal to 5. Next, we multiply 4 to each digit in the multiplicand. Let's start with 4 times 5. The answer to that is 20. So, we bring down 0 and carry 2. Next, we have 4 times 5 plus 2. The answer to that is 22. We bring down 2, carry 2. Last, we have 4 times 2 plus the carried number, which is 2. The answer to that is 10. Now, let's add. Here we have 0, so we bring down 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we have 1. Next, we have 5 plus 2, and the answer to that is 7. Then we simply bring down 10. Last step would be counting the decimal places. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So the decimal place is 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we need to place the decimal point over here. So the final answer is 10.710. You can also remove the 0 over here and simplify the answer to 10.71. Next, we have 14.4 times 0.2112. Since multiplication is commutative, then I can interchange the two decimals. So I can rewrite it this way. We do this because it's easier to have 14.4 as multiplier than having 0.2112 as multiplier. Now let's multiply. Let's start with 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Next we have 4 times 1. and the answer is 4. Next is still 4 times 1, so the answer is still 4. Next we have 4 times 2, and that's equal to 8. Lastly, we have 4 times 0, which is just equal to 0. We then proceed to the next digit. 4 times 2 is 8. Next, we have 4 times 1, and the answer is 4. Next is still 4 times 1, so the answer is still 4. Next, we have 4 times 2, and that's equal to 8. Lastly, we have 4 times 0, which is just equal to 0. Let's have the last digit. Here we have 1 times 2, and that's just equal to 2. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And another 1 times 1 is still equal to 1. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 0 is 0. Now it's time for us to add. Here we only have 8, so we simply bring it down. Next we have 4 plus 8, and that's just equal to 12. So we bring down 2, carry 1. Next we have 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. That's equal to 11. Bring down 1 and carry 1. Next we have 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1, and the answer to that is 14. So we bring down 4 and carry 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10. So bring down 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and we simply bring down 0. The last step is to count the decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So starting from the rightmost corner, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we need to place the decimal point over here. So that's the final answer. It's 03.04128 and can be simplified by removing the leftmost 0. So we have 3.04128.